nation mourns on land and at sea over the MV Barima tragedy. Hearts are broken, too many souls are lost. A journey forsaken, precious lives were the cost. Many cried out, but she was too tired and old. Alas, she sank, a new chapter unfold. Oh, my brother, this cannot be. Oh, my brother, this cannot be. Each tear, each hurt caused hope to smother at the broken heart of a wailing mother. Together we pray from far and near, as we feel your pain and hear you cry. On that dark, chilly night, Barima's fate drew nigh. Oh, my brother, this cannot be. Oh, my brother, this cannot be. Our hope and prayers will follow your path. Raise your voice very loud and clear. Together we join in your pain we share. Never give up, your strength's untold. Each life went down, more precious than gold. Oh, my brother, this cannot be. Oh, my brother, this cannot be. Still loved one lies in water so deep. Only precious memories forever to keep. Wipe your tears and cherish each other. Stand in unity as sisters and brothers. A nation cry out, but not in vain. For love runs deep like an unbroken chain. Oh, my brother, this cannot be. Oh, my brother, oh, my brother, this cannot be. Oh, each century you tread with dignity and pride. As God continue to be your guide. Some came from south, some from north. Together you built this birth by birth. Now in the eyes of man you don't look even. Who dares to say what he believes in? Oh, my brother,